Ready?
One, two.
You're gonna fall off. Wrap your legs around me. Wrap your legs around me.
That's what she said.
Uh-oh. You killed him. Give him kisses, quick. Kiss him. Kiss him.
Alright.
Okay, I'm ready.
I got it. I did it.
I got a present for you.
Huh?
Yeah.
Got the gold trophy, but I didn't do well.
The first for me?
C. Oh gosh. Horrible.
Did you break it?
Yeah, you did.
Anthem bike.
You broke
So I
it.
think we just can
Sweet.
done.
You didn't break it.
Yeah.
Oh.
Let me see. You see? I'm gonna get you a pair, okay?
Huh?
I'm gonna get you a
Standing
pair.
right there where they made them today.
That's mine. That mine?
Guess I got all the,
No, these are mine.
Huh?
all the big bikes.
These are mine. I'll get you a pair, okay?
He'll get in
Start
trouble
off
if he
with
gives
just
you
three-
those.
three
Remember
bikes
Ben
and three
Nice
cars.
Nicelaughter?
You have to- Yeah, I remember.
Did you know his dad had a major stroke?
No.
Say cheese.
He can't. He's
Pretty small.
paralyzed. Can't talk.
Blow kisses.
He has a little bit of mind about him enough to get pissed off if he can't make him let himself communicate with someone.